Hello everybody out here on YouTube. It is I here with Beautiful Beauty. Okay, hello to all my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Love you guys so very much. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Here is a product here that we've all heard so much about. I know you've seen this product everywhere, and if you have not already tried it, you've probably at least seen it all over town, all over the internet, all over YouTube, magazines, you name it. I have seen this everywhere. I was so excited about buying this, getting it, trying it. I bought this at Target. I will put in the down bar below exactly how much I paid for it, but this is the Physicians Formula, and I really have always been a very strong fan of Physicians Formula makeup. I have always really loved their cosmetics, loved their makeup. I started using Physicians Formula when I was probably about 13 years old. Maybe I was even a little too young to be wearing makeup. Who knows, but the addiction starts early, if you know what I mean. So I've always really liked the brand Physicians Formula. And yeah, I really got excited about this, was ready to try this. I just jumped all over it, bought it at Target. And this is the Physicians Formula Nude Wear. And this is, let me show you, this shade is something. It is, focus, light medium. Okay, so this is a Physicians Formula Nude Wear Light Medium, and this is like a lighter formulation of a foundation, if you will. Now, I really have never been a fan, honestly, in all honesty, of foundations. I have never been a fan, in all honesty, of BB creams because it's just, I don't know what it is, but it's something with my skin chemistry. When the products mix with my skin, they turn orange, okay? I look like an orange peel. I look like a Florida sun-kissed orange. I don't know what it is, but I was hopeful that this time that it would not happen. Okay, I was wrong. It happened. What can I say? Okay, so first off, let me start out talking about the texture of this product, okay? Putting this product on, it is very dry. It is a very chalky texture, and it depends on what you're going to put underneath it before you apply this to your face, okay? Now, if you put something under it, like if you put the Physicians Formula Moroccan Argan Oil under it, if you put a few drops of that under it, it will effortless, I think effortless is what I'm trying to say, just effortless. It will glide on your face a lot better and work better. Now, if you just put it straight away on your face like I did initially, I tried it like that a few times, and I do that because, like I said, it's something with my chemistry, my skin tone, my sebaceous oil glands. It mixes with the product, with the chemicals, and I turn orange. So I had preferred to use this personally on a dry face, on a dry palette, if you will, and start out fresh. So anyhow, I tried to do that the first few times I wore it, and it just was too chalky, the formula. This was too dry, and it would not glide on the face whatsoever, and it left me feeling like I was almost tugging and struggling with my skin to get it to rub in. And I applied it the first few times with my hands because initially when I first try products, I prefer to use my hands to see how that works first, okay? That was an epic fail because I felt like I was rubbing and just pulling on my skin and almost damaging my skin to the point, because I do have dry, sensitive skin, so I felt like I was being damaging with my hands and the rubbing motions, and the product was dragging and lagging and tugging at the skin so much, and it was chalky, and it was a very dry product, so that did not work. So then I tried my foundation brush to brush it into my skin. That really didn't work much better. Tried the Beauty Blender to pounce it into my skin with a damp, moist Beauty Blender. That was not that much better. I don't know, but the formulation I do have an issue with. I find it very chalky. I find it very dry. I find that you really have to manhandle your skin to apply this product. You have to manhandle your skin to get it to absorb into your skin well enough to wear it, okay? So I didn't like any of that business at all. Now, it did have a slight smell, a scent, an odor, and a fragrance. Now, I have done a previous product review out here on the Physicians Formula, the Moroccan Arganwear BB cream. Okay, now everybody knows the smell of that product is very pungent, it's very strong, it's very out there. Now, this does not smell half as bad, so that was a bonus and a plus. The smell is a little bit irritating, but the scent and the smell, the odor of this one will tend to diminish quicker. So it does not smell like the Moroccan and the Moroccanwear, Arganwear BB cream, okay? That Physicians Formula just really stunk. Ugh. Okay, so this one does not smell as bad. That's a bonus. But like I said, it's chalky, it's dry. It does not blend into the skin at all. It takes too much effort to apply it. Okay, now on to getting on to the application and how the product was wearing. I felt I looked chalky, I looked dry, my skin looked dried out. Like I said, I do have dry sensitive skin naturally, but I do use heavy amounts of moisturizers at night and, you know, things like that. But anyhow, I felt it looked too much like a cakey mask on me. And personally, the color did change. I was so hopeful that it would not turn orange, but then again, I ended up looking like an orange peel. Okay, so that did not work. I'm going to go ahead and do a really quick swatch here on the side of my hand just to kind of give you an idea, because products for me look exactly like they look on the side of my hand as they do on my face. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set the camera down here and just do a few pumps on the side of my hand, okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and get this started here. Just going to blend a small amount in with my with my fingers. I don't know, I'm losing my voice today. I don't know if it's like bad sinus Monday or if it's just like, I don't know, or if it's just like manic Monday, you know, it's like, it's been such a hectic Monday. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. I don't know if it's going to really focus in or not. I think I've been having some camera issues lately. I know. I think I'm going to have to go ahead. My camera is about 2 or 3 years old maybe. I think I'm going to go ahead and have to get a different new camera, different brand, I don't know, something. Okay, so now my hands are kind of tan right now because I've been doing a lot of swimming, been in the pool, so you probably really can't tell how much it's turning orange. Can you tell? I mean, I don't know. Probably not, because the lighting is probably not that great. But trust me, beauties, I don't know what it is, but it turns absolutely orangish on me. I look like an orange peel, okay? And actually, it wears and looks a lot better on my hand. It looks very smooth in texture on my hand, whereas on my face, it looks so dry and it looks so cakey and it looks masky, okay? And oh my gosh, I'm telling you, ladies, I am not a fan of products on the face that look like mask. I'm just telling you, ugh. So anyways, it's chalky looking, it's dry looking, it's masky looking. This packaging is absolutely adorable. It is so cute. Look at the packaging. It's like a rose gold pink, and it has a rose gold pink lid with a bow on it and a pink portion down here. The packaging is fab. It is so girly girly. It is so cute. It is so attractive. It draws you right in, makes you want to buy this product. For me, I look like an orange peel with dried out skin, and it wore more like a mask for me. And I don't like the smell. It smells not too overpowering, but just the same. I'm not too fond of the smell. So this was really an epic fail, quite honestly, for me. And I don't feel this product is worth the hype that I have seen swirling around this product. Okay, beauties, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to give me a like. As always, subscribe. Let me know if this product has worked for you. Take care now. Bye.